Now students, we will learn about angle bisector. The angle bisector of an angle is a ray that divides an angle into two parts, two equal parts. Okay, a ray that divides an angle into two equal parts is called angle bisector of an angle. So, okay students, now you will tell me the line. You will tell me that a line, a ray, or a line segment that divides anything into two equal parts is also called, yes, it is called axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. So axis of symmetry or and line of symmetry is another name of angle bisector. Students, you can see here I have drawn here one angle AOB and it is of 80 degree. Now I will show you how to draw its angle bisector. We will draw it with the help of a pair of compasses. Okay, so students, with the convenient radius, now from the initial point of this ray OB, we will draw one semicircle. I have drawn this angle already with the help of protractor. You can see here. This is the point where semicircle touch with ray. So this is 0 degree angle. Okay, from this point, from 0 degree and from the point of 80 degree, where this angle 80 degree is formed on the semicircle, from these 2 points. First of all, what we will do, we will open our compass up to this much length. Okay, up to this much length. Now from this point and from this point we will draw, means it is of 0 degree and it is of 80 degree. We will draw arcs like this, like first arc is like this, and from our 80 degree we will cut the previous arc. Now this is the point of intersection of two arcs. Join it with initial point of ray. Join them carefully, accurately, na? You can see I got here one more ray. This ray OL, we can give it name as OL. It is the angle bisector of this angle AOB. It has divided 80 degree into two equal parts, means 80 degree. It is now divided into two equal parts, so means each angle will be of 40 degree. This is also of 40 degree. This is also of 40 degree. You can measure it with the help of protractor. Yes, exactly it is of 40 degree. Now earlier I have taken ray OB as baseline. Now I will take OL as baseline. Now you can see it is also of 40 degree. Okay, so it means OL is the angle bisector of angle AOB. First question, draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means we have to find its angle bisector. So first of all students, you should know how we can draw an angle PQR which is of 75 degree. You should know what should be the helping angles for this. You know the starting point of angle is the unit digit is 5 now. When any angle starting with unit digit 5, what we have to do, we have to first find its helping angle. How we can find its helping angle? From the same angle, if we will subtract 15, in case of if unit digit is 0, we add or subtract 30 degree na, but in case of unit digit 5, we will subtract 15, it will be 60 degree, and we will add 15 in 75 degree, so you got here 90 degree. So these two will be its helping angles. So first of all, we have to construct these two angles. With the help of these two angles, we will find out 75 degree. Then I will show you how we can bisect this angle. So first of all, initially you know very well, we have to draw a ray. starting point of ray is O. From this point we will draw a semicircle with convenient radius. You can see this. It is the 0 degree angle at this point. Okay, so first arc will be of, yes, it is of 60 degree. This is of 60 degree. Now how we can draw 90 degree angle? I have told you earlier that it is drawn with the help of 60 and 120 degree. Okay, so draw one arc upward. Now from 120 degree cut the previous arc. You got here 90 degree angle. You know, as this is helping angle, so helping angle should be on the semicircle, but you know that the point of 90 degree, it is outside the semicircle. So first of all we will find a point which is on the 90 degree which is of 90 degree on the semicircle. For this I will draw this dotted line. Okay, and join the 2 points. Now you got here one point of 90 degree on the semicircle. Now what I will do, from this point and from 60 degree, these two are the helping angles of 75 degree. So from these 2 points we will draw 2 arcs, one arc from 60 degree and one arc from 90 degree, the points which is on semicircle. Now where the 2 arcs will cut each other at this point, we will join it to the initial point. This angle or this angle, it is of 75 degree. Take care while joining these 2 points, it should be accurately joined. Now I will show you my angle of 75 degree. You can see this is between 70 and 80 degree, exactly between. So it is of 75 degree. We will give it name as POQ. My this angle POQ up to here, it is of 75 degree. Now you got how to draw an angle of 75 degree. Now how we can find its bisector, means we have to divide our 75 degree into 2 parts. Okay, we will divide it with 2. Our each angle will be of 37.5 degree. Okay, 37.5 degree. So how we can find its bisector? From the 0 degree we will open the compass up to 75 degree. Okay, open up to here. Now what you will do, take these 2 points, 0 degree, when you have to find the bisector of any angle from 0 degree and from 75 degree, the points which are on semicircle, from these 2 points you will draw the angle bisector. Okay, like from this point and from this point, cut the previous arc. You got here point of intersection. Now join this point of intersection to the initial point of the ray carefully. So this line, you can see this line, this ray OL, you can give it name as OL. This OL, this ray, it is the line of symmetry of this angle OPOQ. OL is the ray. So you can write here OL is the line of symmetry okay, of angle POQ. Now this 75 degree angle, it is divided into 2 parts. So this will be 37.5 degree and this angle, it is also of 37.5 degree. So by this way you can find the line of symmetry or angle bisector. Now students, we are starting question number 4 of exercise 14.6. Students, this question is very important and interesting, so learn it well. Draw an angle of measure 153 degree and divide it into 4 equal parts. Students, you know that 153 degree, it is not a multiple of 15 degree na? So it means we have to draw it with the help of, yes, protractor. Now divide it into 4 equal parts. Again, what we did in our previous exercise, where we have to divide our line segment into 4 equal parts na? First of all, we have divided into 2 equal parts. Then we got 2 halves here na? Now we will divide 2 halves into again 2 halves. Okay, the same thing we will do here. We will divide our angle into 2 equal halves, then again divide the halves into 2 halves. So first of all, I will draw my angle. We will draw a ray. Its initial point is O. Now we will draw an angle of 153 degree. You can see here it is 150. So 3 point ahead, 153 degree. Draw it properly. This is. Join them properly. Angle POQ, or this angle is of POQ, it is of 153 degree. Now first of all, to find its angle bisector, what you will do, open the small length of this compass and draw a semicircle. Now what I will do, I will little bit increase the length of this opening of arms. Now little bit more. Okay, now cut the arc like this from this 0 degree and from 153 degree. Okay, now you can see by joining these 2 points, I have got here angle bisector of this angle POQ. Now this angle, this POQ, it is divided into 2 equal parts. One part is this and another part is this. You can say it, one half is this, another half is this. Now we have to divide this one half into 2 parts. Okay, this half. From this point and from this point we will draw 2 arcs. You can see here, I will little bit increase the radius because so that my arcs will not messed up with each other na. So I will little bit increase the length of this compass. You can see one arc is here like this, another arc is from this point, cut the previous arc. Okay, now my one half, first half, it is also divided into 2 equal halves. Join this point and this point carefully. Now in first half I got 2 equal parts. Now by this rotation of notebook na, again what I will do, from this point and from this point I will draw 2 arcs. Little bit I will increase the length of radius. Okay, now again I got here intersection of 2 arcs. Now join it with the initial point of ray. Okay, so my both half are divided into again 2. Now students, you can see my this angle POQ, it is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what I have done in this question, I am repeating. First of all, I have drawn this angle POQ of 153 degree. Then I have done angle bisection of POQ. This is the angle bisector. Okay, ray OS. Then I got here 2 equal parts, this part and this part. In first half part, again I have divided my this angle into 2 equal parts with the help of this angle bisector OT. Then next half part, this again I have done here angle bisection, and OR is the angle bisector of this next half part. So again it is divided into two parts. So by this way my complete angle POQ is divided into four equal parts.